Hi, greetings everyone. In this video we will learn how to create and save the projects. You can create a project file in several ways, but in this video you will see the basic steps for creating a project from the scratch. You need to tell the project when your project starts, and it's a good idea to specify a few other things while you are at it. You don't want to lose the hard work you have done on your project file. So save early, save often are the words to live by. When you first launch the project, you shall see several options for creating a new project on the right side of the screen. In this case, we are going to create a blank project. So you just click the blank project icon here. So here is my blank project. Project creates a new blank file for you. If it's the first one you have created in this session, it's called the project 1. Once you have a ribbon visible the way it is now, there is a great shortcut for creating a new project 1. There is a great shortcut for creating a new project, and that's just Control N. So you simply say Control N, it will create your project 2. Well, the first thing you want to tell project is some things about your file, like the start date. So to that, go to the project tab and click the project information. So click on project information. So here you can mention the start date and finish date. In the start date box, you can type the date for your project. The next box to look at is schedule from. It's set to project start date, and for the most part that's what you want. What this means is that project will actually schedule to start at the start date, and it will tell you when the project can finish. The other option is the project finish date. Well, if somebody gives you a deadline for your project, you might think you would choose project finish date and then put in the finish date that they want. The problem with that is Microsoft Project then schedules and works backwards to figure out the start date, but that means there is no wiggle room if something goes wrong. So it's much better to choose the project start date and let the project tell you when the project can finish. You can always try to shorten the schedule if you need it. The next box is the calendar. Initially it's set to standard, which is the built-in calendar that comes with the project, and it's set to have working days Monday through Friday 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. with an hour for lunch. Later we'll go through setting a calendar to match your projects and resources working times. Once you have set those values, click OK. Because the project information is really important, you can actually tell project to open that dialog box for you every time you create a new file. To do that, go to the File tab and click Options. Then go to the Advanced category, and the checkbox you want to turn on is in this General section. So here can we see the option that is prompt for the project info for the new projects. Just check this out. Whenever you create a new project, it will give you a prompt. So you can turn that on. You create a new project, the project information dialog box automatically opens. Well, at this point we want to save our file with a new name. So to do that, go to the File tab and click on Save. Because it's a new project, even though I clicked save, the save as page opens up. Can you see here? When I go to open and I click on save, I'm not able to do that. It will directly take me to the save as option. That's because we are going to give this file a new name. So basically go and tell the project where you want to save the file. In this case, computer is already selected. You can browse through your location where you want to save the file. I'll say desktop. I'll create a new folder here. The name of this folder, say my folder name is projects. I'll open this up and I'll name it as my bedroom project. I'll save this. Now next time when you say Control S, it will simply save your file automatically, or you can simply click on here on the save as well. Every time you create a project file, tell the project a little bit about your project before you save. That way you can just jump right in when you are ready to start the working on your project. I hope the concept is clear to you. Thank you.